Welcome to Science with Arya. I'm Arya. Swirly, swirly, swirl. Stir, stir. I am going crazy. Today we're going to do the experiment elephant toothpaste. Woo! And it's going to be very exciting. Remember, we're going to have to do safety first, so... Okay, we're back and I have all my science gear on. And now we're going to pour the hydrogen peroxide, which is the 12%, into this half a cup bottle. There. Now I made it to the perfect amount. Pour in. Now I'm going to do that to the rest of the bottles. Pour it in gently and make sure it doesn't spill. One more. There we go. Pour it in. Then we're gonna have one big squirt of Dawn soap or just dish soap into each of these bottles. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Swirl it around. Come on. Then last one. Now we're gonna move on to this mixture with 3 tablespoons of warm water and 1 tablespoon of yeast. I'm gonna move these out of the way so that I can have some space. Be right back. Do, 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 do. La, 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 la. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of warm water in each of these cups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to stir them up. Make sure all of the yeast is dissolved. Come on. Yucky. Why is this so hard? I think I stirred it off enough. Next one. And finally, the last one to stir. Yeesh! Is it just me or does this seem like the easiest to stir? Is it just me? Or is it actually true? I have no idea. The world will never know. Never mind, it actually is getting harder now. I forgot to say this, but always make sure there's an adult with you when you're doing the experiment. Okay? Okay. I am done mixing all of the yeast with the warm water. Finally! Wow! So, make your hypothesis. What do you think will happen when I pour the yeast into the bottles? But first, I haven't even added my food coloring in. I don't know why I didn't do that yet. I'm just so cuckoo right now. My first one's gonna be red. Now stir it, stir it, stir it. Okay, next, this one's just gonna be white, so I'm not gonna add anything to it. And this one is gonna have blue and green stripes. So I gotta get my blue and my green. If you want stripes like me, let it drip along the sides, but don't mix it together. Okay? Okay. I forgot to do this, but it's kind of too late. I'm gonna still add the green though. Do this. To the side. Drip, drippity, drip, 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 drip. I wonder if it'll be all blue. Maybe I can see a little bit of green stripes when I do it. Did you remember to make your hypothesis? If you didn't, then pause the video, write down what you think, and then unpause it, and then I'll do it. Okay, now I'm gonna pour the yeast mixture into the hydrogen peroxide, and this percentage is 3%. What do you think will happen? Let's see. Oh, it's dripping on the sides. It's slowly forming. Gotta get it all in. Get it all in. it slowly coming up, but it's taking forever. Okay, that didn't really work out that well, so I think I'm just gonna move on to the next one now. I'm gonna try not to miss as much as I did last time. This is 6%. Slowly pour it in. Oh, I see it coming. Gotta make sure I don't miss that much. Oh, almost there. Almost there. Come on. Come on. Oh, this one didn't work out either. But it is closer to the top, I think. I guess I'm moving to the last one. It's the 12%, so I think it should at least come out a little bit. And I also think this one's getting a little higher. I think it's just taking a bit longer because it's only the 3%. Ready? Ready to watch the 12%? Say okay. Okay. It's acting fast. I think it's gonna work out. Instead of red, it's kind of turning out pink. Come on, you gotta do it for me. I'm waiting. Oh, this one's working. That one's working. Come on, you have to work. You're the highest percentage. Come on. Gotta work out for me. Gotta work out with me. I tried. Please, work out with me. I'm happy that you're working with me. Ooh, this one's starting to come out too. Woohoo! This one's coming out. Oh, this one's getting closer too. Hold on. Come on. You're almost there. Come on. I've been waiting. Pretty cool. Look at that. It still looks like a stripe. Isn't that cool? Oh, there's a little bit of green on that side, but it's like mixed with blue at the same time. But I like this side better because look at that. Just look at that really cool blue stripe. Isn't that awesome? I just want to catch some of it, but I know I shouldn't touch it. But I have gloves. But like, I want to touch it. It looks so awesome. I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. I touched it. The science behind this experiment is that the hydrogen peroxide has an extra oxygen molecule attached to it, and yeast is a catalyst which speeds up the reaction. If we didn't add the Dawn soap, then it wouldn't make this cool foam. But if we didn't add the yeast, it would take a couple days for the reaction to happen, instead of like a couple minutes or a couple of seconds. And I like touching the foam. The red one was the 12% hydrogen peroxide, and it came out the quickest because it had the most oxygen molecules and water in it. The green and blue one, however, it was the 3% hydrogen peroxide. It had the least amount of oxygen molecules. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye bye! Woohoo! Wait. Disgusting. That's my gloves. Sounds like farts. Avocado.